Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol HCMC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, finally happened today. Got the breakout, and a glorious breakout it was. Huge move here, so a lot of updates need to be done. First I'm going to do is just some house cleaning. Go ahead and get rid of these lines down here. Sure, they still pertain to the chart. They're just not relevant right now, and from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this analysis as clean as possible. But the first update comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So the newest area of support and what I would call the ideal level is right there at 002. Meaning if you're asked, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute best going forward? And yeah, ideally speaking, if the price can stay up above 002, that would be a great sign of power. But don't get me wrong, it's not like if the price falls below that area, then that implies the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay above that area, that would definitely be a great sign of power. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line comes into play, the 50 period moving average. Keyword certainly being moving. I understand the price is way up here, that line's way down there, but as time goes by, that line's going to move itself higher and higher, which is very helpful because when it comes to gauging the health of the move, that right there being defined as the move, just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How you best visualize that? That is what has been represented. Again, yeah, staying above 002 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. In terms of areas of resistance, time to squeeze down the chart here and go back quite a bit of the ways in the chart's history here because it's been a while since the price has been up this high. But the next key overall level of resistance now going to be right up here at, let's see, what is that? 0026. So let me change that to red for resistance here. But 0026, public enemy number one here headed into next week. But all in all, absolutely monster breakout today. And let's see how this one continues to play out next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.